In this presentation, I will show to you on how I will do my statistical analysis and simple quantitative research using megastat. All of the data that I will present here are generated using a software, meaning these are not taken from conducted research. Let us begin on visiting our conceptual framework and statement of the problem. Again, the data and the research itself in this presentation are just for presentation on how I will do the statistical analysis only. So let's begin the statement of the problem. Here, the title of the research is The Relationship Between the Mathematics Anxiety and the Learning Performance in Mathematics of the Students. This would be my conceptual framework. The independent variable is the mathematics anxiety, consisting of three indicators. These indicators are the numerical anxiety, test anxiety, and problem-solving anxiety. On the right side, I have here my dependent variable, which is the learning performance. Means here that the learning performance is affected by the mathematics anxiety. By this conceptual framework, I will now test whether the two variables are related with each other. By this conceptual framework, I can now create my statement of the problem. Here, I have here my statement of the problem. The main objective of this study is to determine the relationship between the mathematics anxiety and the learning performance of the grade 11 in mathematics. More specifically, this research sought to answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the level of the mathematics anxiety of grade 11 students in terms of numerical anxiety, test anxiety, and problem-solving anxiety? Second question. What is the level of learning performance of grade 11 students in mathematics? Third question, is there a significant relationship between the mathematics anxiety and the learning performance of the grade 11 students in mathematics? And the fourth question, what model best fit that can describe the relationship between the mathematics anxiety and the learning performance of grade 11 students in mathematics? My null hypothesis would be there is no significant relationship between the mathematics anxiety and the learning performance of grade 11 students in mathematics. These null hypothesis will be treated using the alpha level of 5% level of significance. Now let's go back with this statement of the problem. Here, the first two statements of the problems are just talking about the level of the mathematics anxiety and the level of learning performance. This means that these first two statements of the problem are just describing the mathematics anxiety itself and the learning performance of grade 11 students. The mathematics anxiety for this presentation are a 5-item test in each indicators in a Likert scale 1 to 5. And then the learning performance of grade 11 would be the grades in mathematics. The third statement of the problem, significant relationship, here we can now use the person R correlation coefficient. And then the fourth one, what model best fit, I will show you the uh, regression, simple linear regression of the two variables. Now, let's go to the data. This would be the dummy data, the data that I created.